Crypto Ponzi schemes are a type of investment fraud where investors are promised high returns with little or no risk. However, the promoters of these schemes are simply taking investors' money and using it to pay off earlier investors. Eventually, the scheme collapses and investors lose their money. Hello and welcome to Varindia News Hour. Ponzi schemes are fraudulent investment operations that rely on new investors' funds to pay off returns to earlier investors, creating an illusion of profitability. While it is difficult to determine the exact amount of money lost specifically in crypto Ponzi schemes, there have been numerous high-profile cases involving substantial sums of money. As the largest form of cryptocurrency-based crime and one uniquely targeted towards new users, crypto scams pose one of the biggest threats to cryptocurrency's continued adoption. Some cryptocurrency businesses are taking innovative steps to leverage blockchain data to protect their users and nip scams in the bud before potential victims make deposits. The average amount taken from each victim has increased. Scammers' money laundering strategies, however, haven't changed all that much. As was the case in previous years, most cryptocurrency sent from scam addresses ended up at mainstream exchanges. As per a report published by blockchain intelligence firm TRM Labs on June 28, a combined $7.8 billion was paid to cryptocurrency pyramid and Ponzi schemes worldwide in 2022. In addition, another $1.5 billion in crypto was alleged by TRM to have been spent on darknets for illicit activities, while another $3.7 billion in crypto was lost in hacks or exploits. Despite a collapse in cryptocurrency prices from the ongoing bear market, it appears that there has been no corresponding slowdown in crypto-related crimes. The Securities and Exchange Commission is vastly extending its fight against cryptocurrency fraud by hiring more than a dozen new employees to combat cybercrime. Cryptocurrencies are a volatile asset class and your investment could lose all of its value. The fact is, if an investment promises high returns with little or no risk, it's probably a scam. The learning curve is only share your personal information to the people you trust. Let's look into today's headlines. Google to test feature offering navigation based on mentions of landmarks. Google's Indian operation will test a feature that would offer navigation based on mentions of landmarks. In Google's outline of this address description feature, product manager explained how people in India are used to communicating their address relative to a landmark or an area name. Google is therefore building that feature into its address description service. Entity launches hyperscale data center campus in Chennai. Entity Limited has announced the launch of its latest hyperscale data center campus in Chennai 2 and the arrival of its subsea cable system MIST in the city. The Chennai 2 campus, located in Ambattur, spread across 6 acres in the state-of-the-art project with a total planned capacity of 34.8 megawatt critical IT load from 2 data center buildings. Reliance-owned robotics firm Addverb aims Rs 8,000 crores revenue in 5 years. Reliance retail-owned robotics firm Addverb expects to cross Rs 8,000 crore revenue mark in 5 years with scaling up of manufacturing operations and diversifying target market base. The company will invest Rs 500 crores in its Greater Noida-based robot manufacturing facility in phases to draw $1 billion revenue, which will be over Rs 8,000 crores in 5 years. Microsoft Azure generates half the revenue of rival AWS in 2022. A Microsoft document reportedly revealed that the vendor's Azure cloud server business revenue in the 2022 fiscal year generated half the revenue of rival Amazon Web Services. The amount is less than what some analyst firms had assumed. The Redmond-based company expected Azure cloud server business revenue of $34 billion for the 12 months ending in June. Apple AirPods exploring new body temperature and hearing abilities features. Apple, with the next AirPods, is exploring new hearing health and body temperature features. It may also feature a Type-C port for charging, as the company is transitioning away from its proprietary Lightning port on iPads and soon iPhones. It is stated that the next AirPods might launch in 2024, while the AirPods Pro 3 could debut in 2025. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to Varindia News Magazine. You can download the Varindia app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.